Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Unity software, and because of the data limitation we are looking at the short term chart for this particular stock. Basically it's a hourly chart. So the moves are going to be very swift and very volatile on both the sides, so one should know about all these things prior to the trend. Now if you're looking at the stock, some important level or uh, need to be seen because it has indeed makes a breakout. Okay, let me tell you why and how. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the all notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now looking at this trend, first you can see from the lows of $65 it went up to $102, where it has made a high of 57% or a return of 57%. Now this level will become a resistance. It was a resistance and it has been a resistance for a couple of time, or you can probably say in between these two zones. As you can see, the stock has already moved up. Okay, so it's finally made a breakout. Here you have your previous trend. As you can see that the stock is moving inside the trend. Here you have okay, that's fine. So here you have your trend. Now to understand this, let's just understand this trend in a very simple manner, or as simple as it possible. What you need to do, you just need to follow the trend. That's what you need to do. Okay, now firstly, the resistance which turns into a support, which is in between 100 and $102. Okay, so this is the support which one needs to look at, because if the stock which has already make a breakout above $102, $103, if it falls below 100.55, then the next support will come at 96. Below that you have your next support at 88, and your big support will come at $82. So one need to look and understand these levels first. Okay, so the stock need not to fall below $100, otherwise you will have your support level in place, which is a much deeper cut than one can understand. Now because the stock has already made a breakout above $103 and currently sustaining above that, and if it continues to do so, the big trend which we are going to see is probably a continuation of the percentage return of its previous trend, which was we have calculated around 57%. Let us just calculate again. Okay, so here you have if you use this, so you have 53%. So the next target for this stock, as it's already made a breakout, will be the replica. Okay, so if the stock sustain above $103, so the next level which we are going to look at is or will be $154, or in between 150 160. So you need not to stick with an exact price. Okay, now this can be reached in couple of trading session, this can be reached in couple of weeks, couple of months. It completely depend upon the trend. What one need to do, you know your stops. So I have explained you the support and resistance level. You need to place your stop accordingly, so that you can save your position both in terms of risk as well as in terms of profit. Do not be in a hurry and make some specific timelines, because markets can move in random manners, so one need to understand about that. And if you The one simple thing to understand here is, if the support level which I explained you, specifically these two levels hold, then obviously what you are going to see is an uptrend or a target which is on the higher end of the range. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.